Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku of today. It's a Tectonic Sudoku. This Sudoku is, I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a hard one, a hard tectonic Sudoku. So let's get started with this Sudoku. And the first question is find. Can you see the single box? Yes, I can see this is the single box. So this should be a 1. Do we have double or dual box? Yes, we have a dual box here, so 2 and a 1. This should be a 1. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be here. Okay, we have a 2 and a 1 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2 and a 1. So the 2 and a 1 should be here, the 2 and the 1. But I see here the 2, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. We have 4 and a 5 left. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 3 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be this one. Here we have the 2 and the 1 left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be this one. This box cannot be a 2, and this box cannot be a 5. So this should be the 1, because we have the 3 and the 4 there. The 2 boxes left are for the 2 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and the 5, alright. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Should be these 2. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. This should be the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here, and this should be the 5. These 2 boxes are left for the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes here. One box left for the 2. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be this one. The other 2 boxes left for the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so we have a pair, the 1 and the 2 there. That means these two boxes, the 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. we have a 1 and a 2 there. That means this box cannot be a 1 or the 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill a 1 or the 2 in this box. So this definitely should be a 3. These two, the 1 and the 2. The 1 cannot be here. The 1 cannot be there. So the 1 could be here in one of those two boxes. Here 1, there 1. Same with the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here and there. The other two boxes are left for the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. And then 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. The 5. Can I place the... I cannot put the 5 here. Otherwise, one of those two boxes must be a 5. And if I place the 5 here, I cannot place any 5 in those two boxes. So this cannot be a 5. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 2 and this should be the 1. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 5 and this should be the 2. Alright. We have a 2 here, so these 4 boxes cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be this one. This box cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be this one. So we have now the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, alright. And these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. So one box left for the 2 should be this one. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be this one. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 should be the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. 1, 2. This box should be this box 1, 2. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 5. This should be the 4. 4 left. 1, 2. This box should be the 3. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be the 4, cannot be the 5. So this should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be a 5. This should be a 3. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3. So this should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. So 2 goes there. And 1 box left for the 3. Finished in 10 minutes. Wow, the fastest time for this for a Tectonic. Anyway, thank you for watching, and it's getting faster and faster because the daily newspaper, if you practice and if you solve them, it's getting faster. So I'm surprised comparing with the one of the first Tectonics. This one 10 minutes. I'm really pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that subscribe bell button if you like to notify by YouTube when I have uploaded new ones. So thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time, and probably tomorrow. See you then. Thank you again, and bye bye.